Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This tutorial we're going to study the minor chords. We learned the major, some three major chords: the G, C, D. So this time we're going to learn three minor chords: A minor, B minor. So that's it for these three chords. They are minor chords. Um, so first of all, I'll just give an overview from the theory book how a minor chord is formed. So when we take the A minor scale, for instance, we know that. So when you see the A minor, we have the 1, 3, and 5. So the 3 will be this. So there are two frets in between them, so that means it's a minor third. So A and C will give you the first two notes that form the A minor chord, and the next one will be a major third. That means you have to leave in between 3 frets. That's the E. Where is that E? So I have this. So this to form those notes. So that's the chords. So if you want to form the chords on your own, if you have the fretboard, maybe you have a chart of the fretboard, you can do that to locate the chords. But the chords are already provided for us when you can search online. So let's look at the A minor scale, A minor chord. So just like the C, we are going to come down from these two, the middle finger and the ring finger. So 1, 1. So this just the ring finger will come down beneath the middle finger to fill the third string. That's the A minor. So this is C and this is A minor. And what about the E minor? So the E minor is formed this way. So you can use either. So we need 2 fingers. You can use the index in the middle or the middle and the ring. For me, I use the middle and the ring. So the middle on the 5th string, 2nd fret, the ring on the 4th string. So the middle finger is on top on the 5th, and the ring finger is beneath on the 3rd, on the 4th string, on the same frets too. So that's E minor. So you can just move this ring finger here to form your G. So if you can recall, we started with the A minor. Let's go to E minor. Let's go to A minor. Let's go to E minor. Let's go to A minor. Let's go to E minor. That's it for the E minor, and let's do the D minor. So D minor is just like F. We've not studied F yet. So index will be on the 1st string, 1st fret. Middle finger will be on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Ring finger will be on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So just like the D major, play the D minor from the 4th string. So A minor, E minor. E minor you can play from the top or maybe from the 5th string. A minor, I think A minor you play from the 5th string, because we don't have E in there. Oh, I'm sure we have E in it. Okay, so let's play the A minor, E minor, D minor, back to A minor, E minor, D minor, go back to A minor, E minor, D minor. Yeah, so that's it for these chords. So I think we can try moving from A minor to D minor to E minor. Maybe it sounds a bit nicer. So let's try our strumming pattern. I know that's it for this tutorial, but you can just try this strumming pattern on these chords so that you can transition between them easily and swiftly. So that's it for this tutorial for the minor chords, and we'll continue trying to figure out how to use these minor chords with other chords as well in the future. And thank you for watching this video. See you next time.